Hi beauties, today's wash day and I will be demoing and reviewing the Creme of Nature coconut milk line. But since I do not have the shampoo nor the conditioner in that line, I'm still going to keep it in the family, and I will be using the mango and shea butter ultra moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. I found this shampoo to be very moisturizing. It did not strip my hair at all. The conditioner was also really good. It had enough slip which allowed me to finger detangle and also to go in with my wide tooth comb, as you see I'm doing now. So the next thing I really wanted to try out was the Creme of Nature Tangle Teaser. I typically do not use a tangle teaser in the shower, but this was the great opportunity to see how well it does. And I was very pleased with the results. It glided through my hair fine with no snags, and it also clumped my curls. Okay, so moving on to setting my hair, I'm going to be using the L.O.C method, which is also known as liquid, oil, and cream. And the liquid can either be water or a water-based product, such as the curl cream leave-in that I'm using here. I found the leave-in was thick, but it glided into my hair really well. Next, I'm going to be locking in that leave-in with the Coconut Milk 7 Essential Oil. And for the cream, I'm going to be using the Hydrating Curling Cream. This product is really thick. It's much thicker than the leave-in, and it's heavier. Once again, I'm just going through with the Tangle Teaser to further smooth my hair out before I start to twist my hair. And for my chosen style, I'm just going to be doing a flat twist out. Okay, so for the takedown, I'm going to be using that Essential 7 treatment oil again to coat my hands and just run it over my hair, and as I take it down to also help to reduce any frizz and add additional shine. As you can see, my hair is really defined. It's moisturized, it's shiny. I am very, very happy with the results. Okay, so not that you guys can probably tell, but in the back my hair is not completely dry. I'm not going to pick it out or anything. What I'm doing right here is just lightly taking pieces of my hair to kind of cover up where my hair was parted so you can't see that. Will allow my hair to continue to air dry, and I won't have to worry about any frizz because I'm not really fooling with it. Next, I'm going to try the 24-hour Edge Tamer for my edges to smooth that down. Now, I will say, after having this for a full day, this product here is my least favorite of everything that I've used. It did not keep my hair shiny like I normally have with some of my other edge controls, and where I put it, it also felt dry at the end of the day. So me personally, I wouldn't recommend it and I didn't care for it. But everything else worked great and I would definitely use it again. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you found it helpful. And if you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.